You have so many options for using conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Let's take a look at one of those options. The first thing you need to do is select the cells that you want formatted. So I'm selecting my cells, and then click on Format and click on Conditional Formatting. This side panel will open. First thing you want to do is check your range and make sure it is the range that you selected. And then under Format Rules, when you click the down arrow, you have all of these options. So many things that you can do with conditional formatting. At the bottom, you can even do a custom formula. So we're going to choose Text Contains. And when you choose that, you have to tell it what text you want it to find. So I'm going to type roses, and you can see it's already doing the work. And down here, now I'm going to choose the formatting style. I could choose lots of things, but mainly I want to choose the color. I'm going to click on the fill color, and I'm going to choose my color. And now I'm going to click Done. You'll see the rule you created in the navigation pane, and you can even add another rule if you want. And then I can close this side panel, and you can see that all of the words roses were highlighted in the color that I chose with this conditional formatting.